Propane fire pits bring warmth and ambiance to outdoor spaces, turning your deck into a cozy gathering spot. But the question on many homeowners' minds is whether these convenient heating sources are actually safe to use on wooden decks. The short answer is yes, but only when you follow essential safety guidelines. Understanding the risks is the first step towards safe enjoyment. Propane fire pits present certain hazards that you need to be aware of. Fire pit maintenance is critical because propane systems require regular cleaning and inspection to ensure all components function properly and there are no gas leaks. Neglecting this maintenance significantly increases the risk of accidents or fires. Your deck's construction also plays a major role in safety. Not all decks are suitable for hosting a propane fire pit, so you need to verify that your deck is built with appropriate materials and meets necessary safety standards. Before setting up your fire pit, check your local regulations and codes. Different areas have specific rules designed to ensure fire pit safety. These regulations typically address the required distance between the fire pit and nearby structures, the types of fuel allowed, and installation requirements. Understanding these codes helps you stay compliant and reduces the risk of accidents or fines. Your local authority has established these guidelines for good reason, so make them your starting point. Location selection on your deck is absolutely crucial. Place your propane fire pit away from any flammable materials, including overhanging branches, nearby furniture, or decorative items. Consider the proximity to your home and other structures, ensuring adequate clearance to prevent accidents. Wind direction matters too, as you want to avoid potential hazards from flames or heat being blown toward combustible materials. Manufacturer guidelines specify minimum clearances and recommended distances from combustible materials, and these should be followed precisely. Fire-resistant materials provide an essential layer of protection. Your deck should ideally feature fire-resistant decking, and you can add fire-resistant rugs or mats underneath and around the fire pit area. Fire-resistant cushions for seating add another safety measure. These materials are specifically designed to resist burning and melting, protecting your deck and preventing accidents. Regular inspections of these materials ensure they remain in good condition and continue to provide the protection you need. Installing proper safety features creates multiple barriers against potential hazards. A fire pit barrier, such as a mesh screen or glass enclosure, prevents sparks or embers from escaping and potentially igniting nearby materials. A heat-resistant pad or mat placed directly underneath the fire pit protects your deck from heat damage. Keep a fire extinguisher readily available nearby. These aren't just suggestions, but essential components of a safe fire pit setup. Proper propane safety procedures must become second nature. Keep your fire pit clean and free from debris to prevent potential hazards. Regularly inspect the propane tank and all connections for signs of damage or leaks. If you detect a leak, immediately turn off the gas supply and contact a professional for assistance. Never attempt to fix a gas leak yourself. Ensure proper ventilation around the fire pit to prevent propane gas buildup, which can be dangerous. Store propane tanks in a well-ventilated area in an upright position, away from heat sources or flammable materials. Maintenance and inspection should happen on a regular schedule. Clean the deck surface frequently to remove debris or flammable materials. Inspect your deck for signs of wear and tear, such as loose boards or railing. Apply protective sealant to prevent moisture damage. Check for potential fire hazards near the fire pit, including overhanging branches or nearby flammable objects. Keep the area around the fire pit clear of clutter or obstructions. Verify that the deck structure remains stable and in good condition. Check and tighten any loose screws or hardware. Test the fire pit's ignition system and burner to ensure proper functionality. Propane fire pits can be safely enjoyed on decks when you take the right precautions. The combination of understanding risks, following local codes, choosing the proper location, using fire-resistant materials, installing safety features, adhering to propane safety procedures, and maintaining regular inspections creates a comprehensive safety approach. With these measures in place, you can confidently enjoy the warmth and ambiance of your propane fire pit while protecting your deck, your home, and everyone gathered around it.